So what's up guys? So this is Jake. For our first unboxing video, we're gonna unbox this Akaso V50 Pro SE. So without a further ado, let's unbox it. Okay, so guys, this is the unboxing video for the Akaso V50 Pro Special Edition. Okay, so about the packaging, so good na good siya, pero tatanggalin muna natin itong plastic. So here's the camera. Okay, so here comes with the small storage case. Good job, Akaso. Skeletal case. Okay, so the quick start guide. The 360-degree rotation wrist hand strap band holder. Lens cloth tethers and additional adhesive. Bandages. Mini USB cord. We have also the different types of mounts like the tripod mounts and also the handlebar. A remote control. Plastic wrench. 2 pieces of helmet base with adhesive. A extra rear door protector. Battery charger with dual slot. 3 pieces of 1100 mAh of batteries. Okay, so here's the waterproof case. This waterproof case can submerge up to 130 feet in depth or equivalent to 39 meters underwater. Okay, so here is the Akaso V50 Pro Special Edition action camera. So by the way guys, this is not a waterproof unlike the Akaso Brave 7 LE. So on the camera there's a tripod hole. It also have a mini USB port, the micro HDMI port, and also the micro SD slot. Here's the speaker and also the battery door and the battery slot. There's 2 buttons at the top for the power and the shutter mode. Also the Wi-Fi indicator and the mic. So sinabayan ko na rin bumili ng micro SD card sa Akaso official store sa Lazada during the 11/11 sale. And then this camera supported up to 64 gigabytes of micro SD card. So susubukan na nating i-boot up itong camera. So ilalagay yung battery, the SD card, syempre para gumana. Syempre the best part is yung pagtanggal sa mga plastic friend este protector. Joke lang. Okay, so the quick boot up logo. Okay, so this camera built with 2-inch touch screen IPS display with 170-degree wide angle lens and also supported with external microphone. In terms of video resolution, you can record in 720p 30 frames per second up to 4K resolution 60 frames per second. But when with image stabilization, you can only record with this resolution. You can also turn on and off the wind noise reduction. In photo resolution, you can select 2 megapixels up to 20 megapixels. In effect settings, you can adjust the AE meter, filter, white balance, the exposure value, and also the ISO. Here's the other settings under General Setup. If you want to use this as your web camera, so just connect it into your PC via USB cable and select PC camera.